set, and y'all know what we about to do, bro. Y'all know what we finna do. We finna get active, man. I love y'all boys, man. Comment down below where you're watching from. You're probably wondering where I'm at right now. Why is my light blinking? Like, where am I at? I'm finna show you right now, bro. Some of y'all know this spot. If you a real OG and you've been watching, bro, you know this spot right here, man. This is my signature spot before we cut up, man. Before we get right, before we turn up on the highway with this beauty right here, man. We finna turn up, we finna go crazy. Y'all already know, bro. We on the side of the road with it. The car ain't broke down, but y'all already know we finna get on that road and go crazy. I love y'all boys, man. Keep God first. Y'all know the play, man. Y'all know y'all supposed to be keeping God first, man. If you ain't been keeping God first, man, let me know in the comments and we can have a little chat. Y'all boy need to lock in with that, bro. Y'all boy need to lock in with keeping God first. I'm telling you, bro. Change y'all boys' lives, man. It's worth it, bro. A lot of blessings come from it. Enough of that. I know y'all want to hear this thing roaring. I know y'all want to hear that. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me chill out, man. Let's turn up, bro. Let's turn up with it. Man, traction off. What that boy finna do with the traction off? Let me get into VR mode. Okay. Man, I missed the road, boy. I missed the road, and we back on it. We back on the road, big dog. Oh, we got a tunnel, man. What this is right here, man. What this is, man. Let's get out there one time. Oh, he don't want to get out there, man. He playing too much. Y'all don't get on me, bro. I don't be antagonizing people, bro. If they don't want to race, I'm just playing, man. It's all jokes. It's all love. Like, it's nothing crazy, bro. Don't yell at me in the comments, bro. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear y'all boys yelling at me, man. Just chill. Don't yell at me in the comments. Y'all boys ain't hear a nice little highway POV in so long, bro. I see a yellow Challenger up there, and I see what that is right here. Oh, I know he ain't trying to play. He ain't trying to do nothing for real. Gotta get a nice little thumbnail though. Yo, the traffic just got crazy, fam. Why the traffic just got crazy like this? Yo, they don't want to see me winning right now, bro. That is right there. You know that thing sliding. You know that thing sliding over there. Man, I hope everything been really good with y'all. Like, I don't be just talking just to talk, man. I really be trying to put y'all boys on game and try to get y'all boys' minds right, because that's really a blessing to do, bro. It's a blessing to sit there and better yourself, to take the time out your day to make your life more prosperous in the future, you feel me? Like, y'all boys that got a lot of issues within and you know it, especially if you know that you got a lot of issues within, bro, you gotta wanna fix it, man. You gotta wanna fix it, man. You gotta wanna better yourself. You gotta wanna do better for the future, man. If you wanna have a family in the future, if you wanna be a business owner in the future, if you wanna be successful in the future, bro, it start with yourself, man. Like, don't even worry about the traffic right now, man. Just listen to the game, bro. Like, it start within. If you wanna be somebody that's at the top, you wanna be somebody that's important in life, it always starts within, bro. You gotta work on yourself first. You gotta spend time with yourself, learn yourself, and better yourself, bro. Just work on yourself, bro. It's so much peace within that. It's so much peace within knowing that you done dealt with yourself. Because, like, that's your main art, bro. Most of the time is your thoughts, what the enemy be putting in your thoughts, like everything that just comes to, like, make you just feel bad about yourself. All them negative thoughts, bro, you should be working on yourself. Like, if there's anything that you don't like about yourself, mentally, physically, and the world around you, it's all changeable, bro. Like, it's all changeable. There's no need to give up on life. There's no need to you feel me, down on yourself just because things ain't going your way. Because trust me when I say God can make things move, you feel me? God can do a lot in your life if you just let him. If you just let God work on your life, bro, your life will change, bro, for the better. And I'm so serious with that, fam. Because me personally, bro, that's what I try to do. I try to better myself. I try to see the flaws in me, and I try to work on it. Because if I don't work on me, man, who gonna do it? You feel me? I let God work on me as well. But anybody else outside of that, bro, who's really gonna sit down and try to help you and work on you, bro? It takes that change from you. If you don't want to do it, man, ain't nothing gonna change for you, bro. Life gonna be what it is and what it been. You know what I'm saying? Life ain't never gonna change unless you want it to change, unless you let it change. You gotta let life change, man. Well, scratch that. You gotta let God change you, bro, for your life to change, man. That's what it takes, bro. That's what it takes, man. That's just what it takes, man. If you don't want to get better, man, then you're not going to, bro. It's all on you, fam. Yo, big dog going 20 on the highway. Like, I've never seen that in my life. If y'all want to know what prime Florida traffic is this right here. We're going 20 on the highway, fam. The speed limit like 70. That's crazy, bro. You gotta have patience for stuff like this, bro. Literally. y'all boys so lucky that we don't have an open road right now. I know me and bro right here would have been going crazy. That boy go boiler exhaust. If y'all didn't watch the last video that I posted, go ahead and do that. Cause I was putting y'all boys on game on what I got planned, like what I got planned for 2025, bro, with the Durango. If you want to see that, man, go ahead and do that. Cause I got a whole bunch planned, bro. I got a whole lot of great stuff planned for y'all boys. I think y'all gonna like it for real. So just go ahead and do that. Go ahead and look at that. It's gonna be crazy, dog. Hey man, that's that supercharged Audi, man. That thing is sliding.